Hi.
owner had adopted her from the, no detail talking.
You're so beautiful and sweet.
Adopted her, I think it was from the Scott County, Virginia shelter back in June as an 8-week-old puppy.
Meow.
And the lady thought she'd make a service dog out of her, but you know, a lot of people say that kind of stuff and they don't follow through. And she's got major health issues, so. Aw. She's just a snuggle love bug, and I have no apps on her. Can you believe that? Now he seemed more comfortable with her.
Mm-hmm.
What's that there? Uh-huh.
You can see?
She's very demure, very humble. But she now that with Hudson, because Hudson is not neutered yet, because he's just like 5 months old, and I just got her spayed. As I said, she's like 6 months old. So she Hudson's been trying to hump her, and he's being a wild man with her. So she's starting to give it back to him now. Hey, buddy. Aw. I think she'd be fine with the cat. She backed up when he turned towards her. Daisy. Daisy doll. And she's crate trained and what's that about? That was more of a worried bark. Come here. Come here, Daisy. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Meow. Max. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Is that when he'll come for you when you do that?
No, he comes when I call his name.
Good.
I tell him to come inside.
Aw.
It's time to eat. They're smart.
Yeah.
What do you think? Go see. Look at there. Look at there. Yes. That's your friend. Meow. Meow.
Come see that kitty.
Come see
that kitty.
It's okay. You can come up. It's okay. Come up. Yeah. Yeah. What'd you think? What do you think about him?
Come on, Daisy.
It's okay.
Okay. Let's go. There we go.
Oh.
I don't think she'll do anything. See, as soon as he turned around, she's like, it's okay.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness. Hey, it's all right.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It won't
He's not
get
gonna
you,
hurt
I promise.
Aw. That's a first. Well, that's a good thing. She's respecting the kitty.
It's okay.
You're all right.
That's it. Max, you were so intimidating.
It's all right. She's like, what the heck? This is terrifying.
Come here, it's okay. Max. Max.
Come on.
Well,
I think she'd be just fine.
Max says I've never seen a dog act like that. You were the king of the hill. His eyes are that big.
Aw. Well, I think we're good. Thank you. I appreciate it. Want to see him one more time? Want to see him one more time? Huh?
You want to see a cat one more time? It's okay. It's okay. You'll see.
He's like, I totally do not want to engage.
No, not at all.
All right. Good deal, Daisy. Pass the test.